In this presentation, you're going to learn about 5 of the best trading platforms or websites where you can buy and sell Bitcoins. A quick search on Google will reveal many places where you can trade your cash for Bitcoins, or trade your Bitcoins to other cryptocurrencies. However, not all platforms are created equal. And with the ever-increasing popularity of Bitcoins, more and more cryptocurrency exchange sites are cropping up. The first one on the list is Coinbase. Millions of people trade on this site, and it should be one of the first places you look at when looking to trade Bitcoins. It's beginner-friendly, the fees are reasonable, and it's relatively secure. It also supports dozens of countries, and has traded more than $50 billion worth of digital currency. The second popular exchange platform is Gemini. It's fully regulated and licensed in the U.S., which makes its regulatory standards similar to a bank. While it only trades a few cryptocurrencies, users are guaranteed that their Bitcoins are secured because these are held in cold storage. This means it's less susceptible to hackers and other entities with malicious intent. The third platform is Kraken. In terms of euro volume, Kraken is the largest Bitcoin exchange platform. You can trade Bitcoins to a variety of fiat currencies, or legal tender, as well as many other popular cryptocurrencies. This makes the platform highly flexible and versatile, as you can quickly exchange your money into another form. Many people, however, say that Kraken is not as beginner-friendly as other sites on this list, but is very highly recommended for more advanced users. Another popular platform is Poloniex. If you want to have plenty of choices of cryptocurrencies to trade your Bitcoins to, then Poloniex might be the right service for you. With high-volume trading happening daily, you can be assured of closing any trade position within a short amount of time. The trading fees are low as well. So if you want to try your hand at trading cryptocurrencies, check out this platform. The last platform on our list is Shapeshift. While you can't buy cryptocurrency on this platform, people with existing Bitcoins and other digital currencies love this platform because they can quickly trade one cryptocurrency to another, all without signing up for an account. So your transactions are all going to be private.